Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to announce the winner of my last giveaway. In my last two videos I have announced that I am going to give away a 32 GB pen drive. There are total 19 people who subscribed and commented on my last two videos. So let's start the winner selection. Here you can see there are 19 name of 19 peoples. Let's spin the spinner. Okay, here are our winner, HM Robiul Islam. HM Robiul Islam, please contact with me. There are a Facebook page link in the down in the description of this video. Please contact with me, and for further instruction I will tell you. Also, there are many more giveaway is coming. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, share this with your friend, so your friends also can be the winner. Also, I am thinking about, like, when I have 100 subscriber, I am going to give away more pen drive. This time there will be more than one winner. Also, when I hit the 1000 subscribers, I am going to give away brand new smartphone. So that's it for today. Subscribe to this channel and stay with me. Goodbye.